Hello and welcome. This is Cara and it's Freebie Friday time again. It's hard to believe it's the last Friday of July 30th. And this is the freebie today. In the sunflower kit, there are two other colors of this butterfly page. There's a green one and I think the other one is blue. And so I did a yellow as well. And what I thought we could do is make this little tuck like this. All right, so I'll show you what I did here. It opens up and there's a tuck on this side, a tuck on this side, and then you attach this to your journal page, and then there's a tuck back here. Now you could also embellish this area as much as you would like. So that's what we're gonna make. I got this idea from, I think I got this one from Cori. It's one of her flips, or one of her flip ideas. So I will add her link to her tutorial down below. Now you can make this flip as tall as you want, and if you were using a 12 by 12 paper, you would have even more options. But I'm going to just use the one-sided sheet, and to make it so that it's not one-sided, I'm just going to fold it in half. So the first thing I did is I've already trimmed off the little edge, and then I'm going to fold this in half, as close as I can get. There we go. And then I'm going to see kind of where this meets in the middle. And I want a slight overlap, but not a really big one. I think that's good right there. Now you could measure and be precise if you would like. For this, showing you, I think it's just fine. All right, so this one, I did some stitching. For the one I'm gonna do with you, I'm not going to, I'm just gonna glue. So at this point, I punched my divot. So I'll do that really quick. Now this could also be a pocket here. I did stitching and put mine together. I actually glued it, because then it's stronger. But if you want this to be the pocket, that's up to you as well. You can do that. But let's just see if I can kind of center it. Not bad. All right. And then at this point, I stitched around this way, but you really wouldn't need to do that. You could fold it in half and take it to your sewing machine and stitch around this way. If you wanted these to be pockets, then you would want to do your stitching all around the outside first, so that when you fold it, this would have stitching on it and this would have stitching, and then this would still be open, and then that could be a pocket as well. But I am not going to do that. I'm going to just leave it like this, and I'm just going to glue it. All right, get my glue. Just need a little bit around the edges. A little bit in here. And then smush, 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 smush. There we go. I'm gonna ink up my edges really fast. So for this one, I used pieces from the sunflower kit, this tag, and then this piece of ephemera, and then this is from the sunflower kit. For this tag, I used a piece of the Wallflower Tim Holtz paper and put coffee dyed paper on the back. But what I was thinking for this one is to use July 16th's freebie and use these guys I backed it with some deli coffee dyed paper. And then this can go here and here, and those fit perfectly. And then I was also thinking that this sunflower could go as the closure. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, for these pockets, I used some scrap of Braille paper that I had, but I thought for this, it would be fun to use some vellum. So I'm gonna cut this vellum down, pencil. Actually, I'll use my pencil. There we go. And the glue. Now you might see a little bit of the glue. We could put just a little bit. You could add a little bit of embellishment if you don't want to see the glue. But I think it will be just barely there, so it should be okay. And a little bit here. There we go. And there we go. All right. Now let's do a sunflower. And I'm going to just put some glue on this side. Oops. I put it in the wrong spot. I'm gonna take a piece of scrap since I kind of messed that up a little bit. I'm gonna fold it. Stick that on like that. There we go. Yep. I'm gonna save it. There's always a way. There's always a way. Oh, but wait, I need to not cover my tag. Goodness gracious, Cara. There we go. And now let's try that again. I only want it on this side. But if it's like this, it actually needs to go further back so that this can open like that. There we go. Yeah. All right, so we have those. And then cut a piece of the Tim Holtz paper pad. And I think we'll just use this piece as a paper tab. Instead of using lace. And then from last week's, I think we'll cut out one of the butterflies. Not last week's, this is actually 2 weeks ago. And this can be an embellishment on our tack. Like that. And so then when I put this in my journal, this will be a tag in the back, and it will close like this. And we have a little trifold. And then this will pull up. Let's add something right there. And maybe we add something else. Ooh, this is a scrap from the paper pad also. It's perfect with the butterfly. And then I have some of that curly paper. Just kind of make a little cluster in the corner. There we go. Put this down. So it's fun that the two past Freebie Fridays work so well together. All right. We can close that, and then we have that. I like it. There we go. Cute. All right, so here's the non-sewing one, and then we have this version right here where I did sewing off camera. All right, cute. And then these are ready to go in a journal. Super fun. All right, if you are still with me and you want to get this free download, you want to go to Cara, Brandon, and Friends on Facebook group, and you will find it in the files, and then you can download it and use it over and over and over. All right, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.